Hi, I wanted to address some questions about the exciters that come with the musical mushroom kit. So this is an example of an exciter that has a protective case installed. Now, sometimes when you receive them, if they've been sitting for a while, they might stick, so it might be difficult to remove them. So what I do here is I'll insert my finger, just like a little lever in my fingernail, and put my other fingernail there, and I'll just kind of press like that, and that usually gets them unstuck. So some people might have experienced that. Usually when you unstick them, they're good and they're not going to stick again, but that's one issue that users might come across. The other one is unscrewing the mounting plate. So I'm going to open this one. So by default, it comes with a mounting plate installed. Now these have to be unscrewed like this from the exciter when you want to remove the exciter from the bowl. So first, these will be glued in place. And as per the instructions, these are always finger tight from the factory. So I just kind of tighten them finger tight. And we peel the sticker, glue it on. So this one's already been glued. And as you can see, the sticky tape is making contact, but not the plastic. That's important that it doesn't touch in any way the sound bowl, the singing bowl. So basically, in order to remove it, we want to grab and go counterclockwise to unscrew the exciter, and that leaves the mounting plate in place. And you can leave that in place and play your bowl as usual with a mallet. If you really want to, you can remove it. You just have to put your finger behind and it's just slow and steady, time and pressure, and they'll pop right off. Okay, and then you want to make sure you put the little plastic back on. Eventually, if you take it on and off enough times, the adhesive doesn't really stick anymore, but you can buy some replacement mounting plates. So one question is that what if I have difficulty unscrewing it? So when you mount it, you want to just be finger tight. You don't want to go like overly excessive. It's not necessary. If you don't tighten it enough, it'll rattle. You'll hear a very loud. So you tighten it enough. Now, if it's really tight and you want to unscrew, so a few things. First of all, you would never want to pull straight on this thing, because that will damage the exciter. There's a bit of a springiness, so never pull, never push. Okay, but you can twist, unscrew, because the exciter is very strong in that direction. Now, one question is when you do that, you kind of feel a little it's kind of a little bit of a give, like you're twisting something wrong. What you can see from the image, it's not the exciter that's twisting. It's actually the tape that is kind of it's soft on purpose. So when I twist, I get the impression that I'm kind of damaging something, but I'm not. So long as I'm not pressing or pulling, so long as I'm twisting, it's okay to apply enough force. What I tend to do is just go just in small increments, just to try and break away the initial stiction. There we go, and now it's able to be unscrewed. So again, if it's been really tightened and it's hard to get out, again, just do little, there we go, like that, and then it'll come right out. So that should hopefully resolve any issues. If not, feel free to contact us and be happy to help. All right, take care.